blood tests, do you really need them? So the short answer is yes. Absolutely, you need them, because there is no single test that can tell you every single thing about your body and how your organs are functioning, right? The blood tests don't tell everything, and you'll notice. So what does the blood test mean? You have these what's called normal ranges, or within normal limits, right? Where do they get those ranges? I did some research on Google and I couldn't really find a specific place. Everybody has their own theories about how they got the ranges, right? But the thing is, have you ever noticed that your doctors may tell you, hey, you're within normal range, right? Nothing's wrong, but you still feel like crap. But on the flip side, you feel great, but your numbers are outside of the range, right? So my point is, you have to use these blood tests as a piece of the puzzle, but not like the Bible to determine, what's going on in your body, right? So there's more to this. Make sure to follow me here.